Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1219, and today's topic is the important role of selenium trace element in the health of thyroid gland. Globally speaking, many people they don't understand and they don't care about the selenium. And some of the students, when I ask, they say, "Yeah, sir, I have seen it periodic table, and sometimes it is used in ceramic work or some color pigment like that." But the biological activity, the biological importance, the health importance, many of them they are not aware that it plays very important role, especially in keeping your thyroid health. Once you are suffering from that is called hypothyroidism. There are two conditions of thyroid gland. One is that is called hyper condition, where excess production of thyroid is there, and the second condition where due to some metabolic disorder, some protein reaction inside thyroid gland, the thyroid hormone is not produced normally, rather than its production is reduced. And in our body, the maximum amount of selenium is present in our thyroid gland, and this selenium is powerful antioxidant, and it plays very important role for two purposes. One, to take care the oxidative stress and to clear the waste material in the form of free radical which is produced during the production of thyroid hormone. And second role is that is it plays important role in maintaining the immune system. The reason is that this selenium is very powerful antioxidant. So once the percentage of selenium is less, is reduced in hormone gland, it means your hormone gland will not be capable of synthesizing in good quantity so that it is taken care in your body, rather than you will be suffering from hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism means symptom you will get always fatigue, feeling weak, cold, and sometimes dry skin. Even the female, their puberty will be delayed. Lot of complication is there if you are not having enough thyroxine produced in your body. That is called thyroid hormone. So here what people are doing, if that condition comes, the doctor will recommend some supplement, that is synthetic supplement, and that is thyroxine. But selenium is having some toxicity also. So if proper dose is not given, then there will be some toxic, we can say, implication. They will be having some toxic effect. So the best option for anybody who is having hypothyroidism to search for natural source. Natural source means either from plant source or animal source. So the plant source, the richest source, that is in Brazilian nut. Brazil nut is very rich in selenium. Second is betel nut, and in India we call it dali pan. Once dali, that betel nut is very common, people are chewing, eating with pan, masala, all those. So, but of course if you are putting some alkaloidal content, tobacco, it is harmful. Just take betel and just chew it. So that is also one source of selenium. And the third source is mushroom. I will show the images of this. So these are all from plant source. For animal source, that is fish, yogurt means kindirmo or nono or dahi we can say, and also meat. So these are all natural sources of this selenium, and selenium is very very important. It is a trace element in micronutrient and biologically active element, and these are important to maintain your, that is, thyroid hormone. So here this is your thyroid gland. It has right and left lobe, and this thyroid gland is producing hormone that is called thyroid hormone, and that hormone is taking care of your immune system and also your lot of metabolic disorder and also growth and so many other functions. This is your Brazilian nut, and it is very high in percentage of containing selenium. Roughly it contains 75 microgram per 100 gram, and this is the richest source of selenium. So those who are having some tendency of deficiency of thyroid hormone, they should add in their diet 3-4 pieces of Brazil nut. This is known as a betel nut, and this betel nut is very common in India. People are using it in pan, and when they are having the habit of chewing pan, they add some few pieces of betel nut, and this betel nut is next to Brazil nut is rich source of selenium. So those who are eating with pan, they are getting enough selenium. This is the image of mushroom. Nowadays mushroom is very very popular in Western countries, and many people they add in their diet, and this is the rich source of selenium, and it is single cell vegetable protein, highly nutritious. If anyone who is suffering from hypothyroidism, they may develop such type of a nodule behind the garden that is below the ear. So this nodule is a very important to go to doctor and check it whether it is cancerous or not cancerous, and its treatment is only surgical to get it removed. But this is a big indication. If you develop any such type of nodule below your ear at the neck, it clearly indicates that there is problem of hormone, that is thyroid hormone, and there is deficiency. So same I have written here. Number 1, selenium is essential element for thyroid function. Selenium, that is symbol is Ag, and its atomic number is 34, is micronutrient for life, for important function of thyroid. Today selenium deficiency is very common worldwide, and many people they don't notice, and many people they don't understand that what is the role of selenium, which is biologically active, and it has lot of medicinal importance. Number 2, as we know, selenium is very important for proper function of thyroid, and it is abundant in it. A number of research paper shows that selenium supplement, that is known as thyroxine, benefits thyroid function and improve immune system. Number 3, selenium is powerful antioxidant, and that is why it contributes to play a role in defending thyroid, in improving its function by removing oxygen and free radicals produced generated during the synthesis of thyroid hormone. All this I have already told you the main function of selenium. Because it is powerful antioxidant means it will remove free radicals, scavenge, destroy and also excess oxygen, and it will allow more synthesis of thyroid hormone. Anyone who is suffering from hypothyroidism needs 5 microgram of selenium per day, and the natural sources are Brazilian nut. It contains 72 microgram per 100 gram. Then betel nut, mushrooms, also fish, egg, milk, and yogurt. See, the symptoms of hypothyroidism, that is fatigue, cold sensitivity, constipation, dry skin, unexplained weight gain, delayed in puberty, and also you will feel laziness. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.